Hello guys! Good morning everyone! Happy Monday! Okay. Hello guys! Good morning! Hello! Alright. What a crazy day, that's right. But still, we may get something interesting today. Let's hope for this. My weekend was wonderful. How was your weekend, guys? How was your weekend? So what I'm trying to do right now, highlight potential 5-minute OB since we got our sweep. Right? I'm gonna delete some levels from my chart. I don't need them. So we didn't get 5-minute order block on NQ yet to talk about potential move lower, but we got this on ES. Sleeping? Productive weekend? That's nice. So let's talk about bias. Also interesting, right? Because market is crazy and like according to news we need to short, right? So let's talk about potential idea here. I hate to trade pre-market, so I'm not going to trade pre-market, but what I'm thinking about, we need to break 50% of our fair value gap on both ES and NQ, and I would like to get drop toward 450, basically London low. Same for ES. So I might look for something like this. Yeah, 477, yes. London low. I'm thinking about this setup right now, but I'm not going to short this yet. Once again, we're still inside hourly fair value gap. I would like to see we breaking below 50% at least of hourly fair value gap. Would like to get a strong 5-minute change in the state of delivery. And at this point, I will validate this potential drop. We may actually try to short this, but preferably after market open. Right now, that's what I just expect to get. Yeah, we got 15-minute OB, that's right. Good point. Let's talk about overall bias right now on indices. So look at this picture if I'm going to zoom out this. Yeah, we got crazy news, like situations that happened this weekend was horrible. And considering this war, what happened? Nothing significant happened. On market. Nothing significant happened on indices, on metals. Yes, we got move down on indices and move up on gold, exactly what we expected to get on Friday. So I cannot say like we got crazy move down or something like this. It's not like crazy. It's just like okay, right? And we're still inside high time frame consolidation. That's why I zoom out for you guys to show you. So we didn't hit any significant liquidity levels. So we just dropped from premium back to discount, right? It's what we have on daily. Yes, it left a new week opening gap. We traded to this new week opening gap yesterday, around like 50-75%. And price rejected down again. We took sell side. I call this internal sell side liquidity level, but once again, major low still remains lower. And at this point, like we have two setups for today that we can consider. It is going to break below 50% of our fair value gap. We will try to short to London low on both ES and NQ. All we will trace back to break above weekly open, retest of New York midnight open, maybe slightly higher, and then short as well. 1 second, guys. Yeah, then short as well. Really hard to talk about longs right now in indices. I can expect retracement once again back up to New York midnight open. Looking at statistic right now, we don't have like huge chance to retrace to New York midnight open. It's around like 50% on ES. And let me check on NQ. On NQ, 56% on ES to retrace to New York midnight open. If you're going to open below this level, according to 12 months data, I would say it's not big chance. And on NQ, come on, we have 61% chance. So once again, ideally I would like to see continuation lower. Oh yeah, of course, my bad. It's for NQ. 1 year data, and Q Monday. We want to sort this by week days, right? So if you're going to open below New York midnight open, I would like it shows. I don't want to see this because it tells me 61%. No, it does not mean we go there. We want to compare this with our bias. Can it be confirmation for us? Yes, we want to retrace to New York midnight open or not. So according to 12 months data, we have 61% chance to retrace to New York midnight open if you're going to open below this level. And on yes, 56% chance, right? So once again, it's not a big chance, but still chance. So we can validate this by saying, okay, price failed to break below 50% of our fair value gap. Yes, we may retrace back to New York midnight open and short from there. Maybe slightly above New York midnight open. But right now, hard to say, right? You have a question about Apex? Go for it. I'm going to answer your question. It's edgeful. Hope I'm writing this right. It's for, once again, it's for indices. It either going to be the setup if you're going to break below 50% of our fair value gap, or this one. Then reaction down. Okay, guys, let's switch on gold. Let's check SPX real quick. Interesting where we're going to open, because my plan yesterday was drop from OTA of this RTH gap to sell side. Let me delete this one, by the way. So we actually can open there. We just call. Fine to say, because guys, on Friday, we were looking for shorts, and we wanted to aim for levels that we got yesterday, where we opened yesterday. That's so crazy. Well, gold, guys. I would like to see gold retracement down to New York midnight open. I believe I made analysis. No? I believe I made this before. What I would like to get? Maybe. And higher. This is what I see so far. What do you think, guys? Good morning. Any news? We're gonna check right now. I'm gonna check for you. We have news at 10 today. At 10 a.m. As well as really hard to be bearish on gold. Once again, really hard to be bullish on indices, really hard to be bearish on gold. So maybe retracement down, back to New York midnight open, maybe slightly above this level, reaction, back to London high, maybe. Bullish sentiment on gold, it might... maybe you're right about this. So I'm not going to, once again, guys, I'm not going to short today gold. 101%. I'm not going to short this. I would like to see the retracement too long. We will see, guys. So really hard to say for now. $6E. 6. I wanted to see drop on 6E. Let's see what we got actually. Oh, look where we opened. We took major levels we wanted to see last week. Well, that's cool, that's cool. We like it. I check this, by the way. I'm going to delete some drawings from my chart. I don't need them. Weekly flat candle, that's monthly. Okay. We're gonna highlight 50%. We still have room to go lower. So we have room to go lower on Euro futures. 6E once again. At least 50% of this monthly week. Let's see what we have on weekly. Yeah, looks good to me to drop lower. On weekly, like, once again, nothing interesting because we just opened. I'm going to just previous weekly highlight. Okay, daily chart. Hourly chart. So maybe I'm wrong about Euro futures. I would like to see sweep of this high, retest of this liquidity level, potential breaker block, lower. Let's check DXY real quick. Let's see if it's going to drop to this flat candle in reaction, which will validate my idea on Euro futures. Guys, what is your bias on Euro futures? Looks good to me. Sweep of this highs, retest of major sell side liquidity level from February 20th. So basically resistance right now. Then shorts. Retracement down to this flower flat candle over here. Longs. Let's see if gold. Oh, look at gold. Okay, time to connect accounts. Market data subscription you need for your. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So if you will see stop on gold, you will trade on TradingView and Lucid accounts. If you will see stop on indices, you will trade on Apex accounts. Looks good here. Looks good. I'm not quite sure you can trade. I'm gonna check for you 1 second. Not sure. I don't think so. I mean, in the future, you will be able to trade. But not right now. It's still halted, I believe. Yeah, it's halted. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe in the future, but not yet. Just check for you. So once again, I'm not interested in shorts and gold. I will try to wait for the retracement down and look for longs. 30-minute sweep work for sell on gold. Yeah, that's cool. That's good. Did it offer to R? Like we got OB. Let me see if it offered to R. Just to make sure. Look at this. How is it even possible? You want to tell me it offered exactly to R? Are you kidding me? Wow. That's impressive. That's impressive. Okay, anyway, still would like to see test of New York midnight open. Maybe mine retrace and back to fair value gap, but please retrace for us slightly lower. Let's have this fair value gap. By the way, guys, by the way, I spent my weekend backtesting this strategy. Still nothing new, guys, nothing new. But I decided to add fair value gaps as additional entry to this model. 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB, additional entry. And I backtested. Let me. Where's my data? One second. Not this one. This one. I backtested 50 trades. Let me actually show you. Nothing to hide. Guys, are you interested in this? Because I backtested 50 trades. It just took me lots of time. Yeah. Oh, Daniel, where were you last week? Hello. Let's talk about this. So I took only 50 trades, guys, because it's really hard to do this day by day. And it's Russian. I speak Russian, yes. So what I'm going to tell you, guys, 3 micros only on gold. Not minis, 3 micros only. So I decided to start like November 25, just to collect like November, December, January, February, like 4 months data. I believe it will be enough. Once again, it doesn't really matter if it happened 2023, 2025. Just if you have data, it will be like cool. So far, I backtested only November. And as you can see, we had trades almost every single day. But Friday November 28 offered nothing. It's only day when it's offered nothing. How to see executions? How to see? 1 second. I feel like I'm noob sometimes. Number of trades, yeah. Can I see executions? Oh, yeah. No? Yeah. It must be 3-minute chart. So idea is, I will show you one example, but idea is always the same. Sorry, for blind people, I'm going to change background. Sorry, guys, if I'm going to hurt your eyes. Just wait for a second. See, way easier to see. So idea is, once again, exactly the same. I can actually share these executions with you if you're interested in this. I took only 49 trades, once again. So once again, we want to wait for 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB. And yeah, of course, we can enter over the 3-minute order block. Absolutely nothing wrong with this. We still trade this like nothing changed. But I noticed great confirmation is going to be if the sweep was confirmed by first fair value gap that offered within this move up before it formed order block or right after it offered order block. So what do I mean by this? Let me show you. So once again, we got 30-minute sweep. I'm not sure how can I show you, but just trust me. We got 3-minute OB here, and as you can see, we got first fair value gap. Idea is to place trade of this fair value gap. Sometimes, guys, sometimes it's not going to be 2R. Sometimes it's not going to be 2R. Sometimes it's going to be 1R trade. You want to put your stop loss here, and you want to aim for 2R. So what I usually do, I backtested, yes. I want to place my position at the test of this fair value gap, but what I noticed, not always we're going to get retest. So I usually place my trade at the open of next candle once we got fair value gap. I was slow here. I had to place my trade here. So once we got fair value gap, third candle closure, as well as we got OB, also great confirmation. I want to position myself here. I can add to my position here, so that's why I trade 3 micros only. And as you can see, I close less than 2R. But 2R based on original entry. It's TradeZella, yeah. So sometimes it's according to my backtest, it retested fair value gap. I added 1 micro to my position, so I traded 4 micros. But most of the time I placed my 3 micros here. How many contracts? Yeah, 3 micros here, and that's it. And what I noticed, guys, that's really good entries and really good risk reward. Backtesting, session results. So far it gives me 65% win rate. Once again, I'm not trying to give you 101% win rate strategy, as well as I'm not going to sell you anything. It will be available for everyone to use. So far 65% win rate. I'm not sure if it's a lot for you or not. Once again, as you can see, my risk reward here, not 2R, because not always it's going to retrace to fair value gap. And that's what we have. I didn't test October, no. Just this month. Yes, trades between 8 a.m. and between 8 and 4 p.m. Okay. 8 a.m. Oops. Come on, Dasha. I know like it's Monday, but still, can you please write like normal person? So, guys, this statistic based on 50 trades only. So, it looks promising. As well as we have data for February already. I shared with you on my Friday stream. But once again, it will be publicly available. Everyone can use this. I'm not going to sell courses or something like this. Look at gold, by the way. Looks so good. It's not always going to be 2R simply because we're not going to get a test of fair value gap every single time. But it's high probability entry, and I noticed like most of the time it will be 1.2R. Yes. So basically, once we got fair value gap, third candle closure, I want to position myself. But as you can see, I tested with small contract size, so my risk usually was like 200, 300 bucks, which is acceptable for me. So guys, what do you think about this? Baby arrived! Congratulations, Daniel! Congratulations! Baby, boy or girl? Woohoo! That's so nice! Alright, gold doing exactly what we want to see. Okay, guys. Okay, here's example. Exactly that we discussed before. That I just backtested. See, guys, we got 30 minutes. Oh, let's look at real example, right? So what we got here, 30-minute sweep. This 30-minute sweep was confirmed by 3-minute order block. Yes, that's amazing. We want to position ourselves at the open of next candle to our. Sorry, guys, I'm left-handed person, but so yeah, not perfect right hand with my right hand. Anyway, but what we got here? First fair value gap, right? After we got order block. For example, I want to position myself. It's just example, guys. I want to position myself here. Don't take this trade. It's just like example. And I want to aim for 2R. But once again, according to my observations, 2R not always going to be like example. Are not going to be a hit. So 1.5R is preferably. But this is what we can actually get if you're going to stay within this fair value gap, not above this fair value gap. Only yes? I mean, yeah, it's going to happen everywhere. Even on Forex, on crypto, and so on. So guys, let's forward test this right now. We're going to add this as first trade example for this updated strategy. Once again, it's still sweep. We still want to trade at the open of next candle here, but we want to think where if we miss the first entry, where we can get another one, right? So let's say I missed entry of order block, but I want to enter still. Maybe I don't need to wait for continuation setup. Maybe I can add to my enter my position before continuation setup, which probably is going to be fair value gap, right? Can we try to do this? Yeah, why not? Once again, not always it's going to retrace. That's why we want to wait for formation of fair value gap, and we want to position. It's just, guys, a real-time example. A real-time example. It's not happened yet. But if it's going to happen, guys, it's just going to be so crazy. Guys, any questions about this? Okay, 2R. I can share this. Guys, if you're interested in this, I can share all trades I took. So once again, my idea is look for setup and take every trade that's presented. Even if I see this as low probability, but setup is here, I need to trade this. Only by doing this, I'm going to collect data. Losing trades, winning trades. So we're going to collect this. I was aiming for 2R only. Not from where I entered, but from I had to enter. By the way, it's no see mistake here. We want to position ourselves at the open of next candle, but we're going to calculate 2R from fair value gap. It's important. I'm going to add this to checklist. Sorry guys, my mistake. What I backtested, not this one. I backtested entry from fair value gap once it formed. But I entered, according to my backtest, at the open of next candle. But 2R calculated from the bottom or top of fair value gap. Depends on the direction. So 2R is going to be here. From fair value gap. From fair value gap. Yes. 2R from fair value gap. Not from your entry. It's my mistake. Sorry guys. Important. From fair value gap. A real-time example, guys. A real-time example. As you can see, 2R not from order block, but from fair value gap. Very first fair value gap once we got sweep. Important. Very first fair value gap once we got sweep. And order block. On NQ, maybe we will see now. Once again, on NQ, I don't like to trade pre-market. So let's set alert. I believe it's going to hit. Yeah, Daniel, not always we're going to retrace. That's why when I backtested, I entered at the open of next candle once we got fair value gap. So basically here. But my idea 2R was based on where fair value gap like formed from the bottom. Swing high is stop loss. 2R is from fair value gap, not from my entry. Make sense? I will do checklist on TradeZella. I will share everything I have, guys. Like everything I have. Once again, it's exactly the same strategy we trade since like beginning of last year. Nothing changed. But I decided to update this by, okay, I missed the order block entry. And I noticed this happens a lot. I would like to enter still within this candle too, but I don't want to wait for continuation. And this is what I decided to try. Yeah, 2R. I mean, once again, most losses that I took on February, like according to backtest and November, it offered 1.5R, but it never offered 2R trades. See? Damn. A real-time example. Ooh. Wow. This is exactly what I backtested. And also I'm going to tell you, you're going to probably hate me for this, but what I backtested, listen right now, it's not good to do, but what I backtested was without bias. Without bias. Just sweep, order 30 minutes sweep, 3 minute OB, 3 minute fair value gap. That's what I backtested. Don't be shy, yeah. So market's still closed, so we're waiting for market open. But that's insane. And guys, also, how many people we have in the chat right now? Oh, a lot. Well, what I'm trying to create indicators that's going to highlight potential entry like this. See this risk reward tool? And my idea is to highlight this, so to have options to highlight this without bias. So I would like to, so this indicator shows exact entry, exact stop, like this, risk reward tool. That's what I need. Activation fee, yes. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to add like any other time frames because it's already too much. I would like to keep this simple just by having like 30 minutes sweep, 3 minute order block, 3 minute fair value gap. So I just would like to automate this probably, and that's why I would like to write indicator. No, 65% win rate. No. Who said 88%? No. It's 65% win rate. It's not even 70, but still good, right? Considering the fact we want to aim for 2R. For 1.5, I don't know. Like, I don't know exact statistic. 1 month tells nothing. You need to collect more data. This not the play out. It was just real-time example. But we will trade something, guys. We will trade something today according to the strategy. I will keep you updated if I see something. I mean, we will take it. So, according to new Epic's plans, let's talk about this right now. Sorry, guys. Since we're waiting for market open, let's talk about activation fee. So, for intraday trading drawdown, your activation fee is going to be $79 for any size account. 25,000, 50,000, 100K, 150K. If you want to get end of the day drawdown, Epic's added end of the day drawdown. So your activation fee are going to be $99. Yeah, 20. I mean, I understand this, but it's only 1 month's data. It's only 1 month's data, so it tells nothing. Of course, it's going to be less once you're going to collect more data. So 88% win rate, don't trust this. Don't trust this. I'm sure I can make this like 70%, but probably not more. So once again, intraday trading drawdown activation fee $79, for end of the day drawdown $99. And account costs $26 for end of the day and $17 for 50K, $19. Yeah, it's a good result. I agree with you. So code ends, I believe, until the end of the month. But I know like Apex task to keep this code like forever. You can pass your evaluation for 1 day. Guys, market is open. Let's focus right now. Time to trade. Time to trade. Preferable scenario to go higher first. We're ready to trade. Yes, specific time, but interesting to say, guys, I backtested without having bias. So, I backtested within like high probability time between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. But I didn't really have bias. Ninja Trader, seems like, yeah. It's working. At least candlesticks are moving. So yeah, working right now. But no trades to show you guys. See how we respected 50% of hourly fair value gap? That's what I was talking about. Damn, look at this. Alright, we got it, yeah. Open, close, open. Guys, if you're new on my channel, I'm going to stream PM session today as well. At 12:30 p.m. So we're going to finish at 11:15. 1 hour break, and I will switch to PM session. Just saying. Gold hit my level. Which one? Oh, it actually was this one. Okay, got it. Okay, guys, let's wait for setup. Nice move up here. I kind of like it. I mean, it's exactly what we wanted. Exactly what we wanted. Yeah. It just idea was try to backtest without having bias, because I found it's really hard to code indicator and explain to indicator what is daily bias, how to calculate this daily bias. And I was like, well, we have a problem, unfortunately. We have a problem, unfortunately. Yeah, we're trying. DXY trying. We have at least 3 trade ideas for today. ES, gold, and euro. So we should get some. Let's hope. If SPX touches 50% of RTH gap, yeah, it's kind of big fair value gap, not fair value gap, RTH gap. So we're looking for the area between 50 and 25%. Yep. Oh yeah, of course. So RTH gap, where we closed, open, close, where this candle closed and where this candle opened. So here's our RTH gap between closure and open. Here's your RTH gap, and this is how you want to draw your RTH gap projections. Make sense? That's your gap. Close, open. Yeah, you're very welcome. Hope it helps. Okay, guys. We're ready to trade today. I feel like it's going to be great winning trade today. So, I mean, straight up at the open. We're not that far from like top of new week opening gap. That's what I was talking about. It's interesting, like considering war in the world. Some people call this like it really like serious and important war right now. We didn't get any significant gap down, and we didn't get any significant move at all. Someone asked me about CL. Yeah, 1 second. How many people expected to get like just crazy move up? Everyone. What? Oh, never mind, okay. And nothing happened. Because it was predictable. That's strange. I mean, I expected to get gap up on gold and gap down on NQ, but I kind of felt like it's going to be just manipulation. Manipulation and just chasing back up. Yeah. Drop. I expect to get pump on gold on Friday and drop on indices on Friday as well. It just happened on Sunday. That's fine. Okay. By the way, guys, if you were in my PM session team on India trade on Friday, I took short twice, if you saw this, and I closed for W. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish this trade on stream because stream was done, but it hit my TP, in case you didn't see this. It was crazy because I shorted like first, it took me at break-even, fortunately break-even, then I shorted again at exactly the same level, and it hit TP. Remember how I was like, I don't care, I'm going to stay in this trade, no matter what will happen, stop plus TP, I don't care, I'm going to stay there. I added to my position, so I closed for like 400 something bucks. Wow, NQ just... That's insane so far, okay. Yeah, I like him. I'm waiting for silver bullets. So far we got straight up, so probably it's a bit risky. Just a little bit risky to execute right now. So we will not be in rush to place the trade just yet. Probably I'm going to wait for silver bullet. We need to see what is going to be an hourly candle at 10 AM, where we're going to close. So no rush, no rush. Okay, gonna check euro as well, just for 1 second to see what is going on. YM, yes, and NQ are in sync. That's actually good. It's... You think they're going to trap buyers here soon? MMXM, market maker sell model, that's right. Nothing I like. Keeping my eyes on British pound as well. I would like to see euro slightly higher, as well as British pound slightly higher, and DXY lower. So let's see if it's going to offer setup for us soon. Who's buying now? No one. I mean, We are intraday traders. We can buy, we can sell. It doesn't really matter. To be honest with you guys. So we're trying to respect resistance so far. Do we have structure on gold, Daniel? I don't see this yet. Let's see if it's going to close above 53.70 to try this. Let me switch on gold. Kind of too early, too short, too long. Not short, long. Because that's internal OB. So maybe we need to close above this level first, at least, right? So close to Asia low. Like, okay, for gold it's typical to leave liquidity levels and offer complete reversal. But trusting this internal order block kind of risky in my opinion. I would try to wait for like more obvious order block. Not this one. Okay, nothing yet. Nothing yet for me. If you see this as like hyper-build setup, you can try with small size. Come on, come on. Oh, way better. You can try just with small size. Be careful right now, guys. Don't be in rush. Red phone? Don't worry, it's still here. We're not in trade, so no reason to call market makers. We don't have even trade idea yet. Ten mini small size? Well. Don't worry, it's still okay. It's still fine. Oh yeah, I know. CRT, like people give us different names. I trade this because it works. Because it works. On TPT, let me see. I'm going to check for you. Yes, it works. Take Perfect Trader Pro account. Yes, it works. Maybe we're going to fill new week opening gap. We will see. News at 10. So I believe it still can actually fill the gap. I will not be surprised. Will not be surprised to see this. But yeah, TPT Pro accounts, they working right now. I'm not sure about like Pro Plus accounts because I don't have Pro Plus account yet. But just funded account works. Just 1 second. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do with this fair value gap. Like Rocket, you know, nothing surprised me anymore. I will not be surprised to see this. Seriously. We didn't close there yet, so don't see long yet on gold. Be careful. If I will see, guys, I will take it, so I just don't see anything yet. strategy that we backtested like last week, I backtested this weekend, work in real time today. It's not like random setup that I saw. I'm going to tell you, 60% win rate with this strategy. A real-time example. Good morning, guys. By the way, I'm doing giveaway of new Apex accounts. You can pick any size, any drawdown type you like. End of the day, intraday trailing drawdown. So here is a link for you guys if you want to participate and try to trade new Apex accounts. 3 accounts for today. I may actually do more tomorrow. And I'm going to do TradeZella giveaway today during PM session. So what I mean by this, guys, today between 12:30 and 2:30 PM, I'm going to pick one winner for TradeZella account. Where's my account, by the way? 1 second. Yeah, I will do one. Na 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 na. I believe it should be 12 months data subscription for free. You can backtest, you can do whatever you like. I'm gonna check if my code work for you. Sorry guys, just to make sure I'm going to give you right account. Continue. Thank you. Hello. It's going to be for 1 year unlock. I'm gonna see if my code works. Yep, it works. So I'm going to do PM session giveaway TradeZella for 12 months. 12 month subscription. Sorry guys, distraction. But between 12:30 today and 2:30 PM today, I'm going to do TradeZella giveaway. For 12 months, you're going to get free account, premium account. You can backtest, you can do whatever you like there. But for AM session, doing Apex accounts. Nothing is scam. Oh, it's just drawings. It's just drawings. So Persian Asia high, once again, as I said before, on gold thesis, failed to close. We want to be extremely careful right now, waiting for the closure to try this. I believe it's still too early to trade on indices. Yeah. It's useful because you can just draw level here. You can create template. So for example, how to do this? Let's say, I know, like New York Midnight Open. You want to click here, save as, let's say New York Midnight Open, just for example, and save. Forex prop firms, I mean, like nothing wrong with them. I just have lots of accounts already. I don't need more. Yeah, gold at the area where I'm fine with reversal, but I would like to get lower time frame confirmation. On Tesla, of course, let's do this analysis. Of course. Actually, it was my trade idea before. Maybe I need to change something right now. Let's do Tesla. Nvidia worked so good, by the way. I'm okay to trade stocks, by the way, options. So probably my plan is going to be this one. If Tesla is going to close above this level, actually this level, you can try to long. It will be TP. Even more, I would say. What do you think about this one? Looks good? No? Long above this level for potential weekly sweep for our order block. Partial here. TP probably is going to be this order block on for our chart. No, Apex does not have static anymore. They have end of the day drawdown and they have intraday trade and drawdown. So my potential trade idea, I may actually try this on options. Will be this one. I need to get for our order block. I will try this one. On gold? Not yet. So right now, interesting area. We hit important levels that I expected to get. So far on gold, what happened? It failed to offer 3-minute OB, so I cannot position myself. I mean, like, I cannot enter long yet. If it's going to right now break below 50% of this week, it can be probably quick short. But once again, I'm not sure how deep retracement is going to be. We may feel the gap, but I wouldn't short right now. I would short below 50% of this week that we have right now on 3-minute chart. Just for quick scalp to bottom of new week opening gap. But I wouldn't short right now. But also long, kind of risky. For long, you need to get the structure. It dropped 2% here. It's a lot. So be careful. Ideal scenario for me, closure above this level, potential move higher. That's what I would like to get. We hit OT of RTH gap on SPX. Yeah, just be careful, guys. Right now, on gold zone where we cannot long, but we cannot short as well. Just be careful, okay? We took Asia high on ES and Q failed by 1 tick or so. 2 points, my bad. No structure to short ES yet. Looks like minor retracement so far. Guys, any other questions? We're going to keep our eyes on Euro futures as well. Nothing changed. We keep in mind, candlesticks are the same everywhere. We are okay to trade not indices, but something else, right? Okay, that's actually looks good here. Okay, it's okay, never mind for now. Looking for slightly higher. At the test of major support. Up or down where? On Euro futures, looking this one. DXY, looking this one. Where's my DXY drawings? On DXY, looking this one. It disappeared for some magical reason. Wait a minute. Where's my drawings? I didn't get it. It's lagging? What is going on? Well, that's so strange. Two similar charts, my drawings just disappeared here. Okay. You got it. I'm not going to right now close yes chart because I don't want to redraw all levels. Would like to see slightly higher. No, it's unhidden right now. Never mind, I guess it's just luck. SMT on indices, hard to say if it's important SMT yet, so be careful. Once again, SMT, your additional confirmation for reversal, not like your main confirmation. You don't want to trade just off SMT. Do you trade stocks? I trade options. Yeah, news in 5 minutes. Be careful, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes. Interesting, ES looks way stronger right now than NQ. But YM just blind. Alright. Data delay, did you sign your agreement on TradeAway? Was it TradeAway or Rhythmic? If it's TradeAway, enter your username and password they provided you on a TradeAway website. They will give you agreement, you just need to sign this and you will get the data. Please. Yeah, wait for news, guys. Right now, I wouldn't chase the price. Seriously. It's Monday, like take this easy, don't make stupid mistakes. Fine to say, but it's like 9:56, we didn't get a single trade idea yet. It's surprise to me. News at 10 AM today, red folder news. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, my friends. So you signed contract. That's weird then. I mean, I didn't buy a new account simply because I have 20 funded old accounts. You can trade news, yes. But you don't want to trade news, right? Time to blow? It will be hard. Well, here's my grade for prop firms. TradingView Lucid are like top 2. I would say let's like type. I would put this in the first place. On the right side. Let's blow accounts. Guys, you're not gamblers. We didn't practice this. We're smart, we're waiting for setup. TradingView select accounts, perfect option. Personal trade with Lightning funded, but I passed select evaluations, canceled them. Still Lightning funded, but it's expensive. Don't see the reason to buy expensive accounts. Probably select option on TradingView. Lucid, Flex. Try with 50k. I have right now black, which they removed. But I right now have black evaluation still. Apex. I have old legacy plans. It's still intraday trading drawdown. Funded next week, just try bold plan. TPT, just one option. Yeah, TradingView playing games today. Did you see new Apex plans? White shit. They have entered the drawdown right now. New plan actually good, in my opinion. I don't trade with my funded futures at all, so I cannot recommend something about them. Apex way better than it was before, like 10 times better right now. Great plan. Then off. End of the day drawdown. This means your drawdown is going to be calculated by the end of the day, based on your realized PNL, while intraday trading drawdown calculated based on your unrealized PNL. Yes, Tradify select. Way to go. Yeah, some people don't like 6 payouts, right? Win rate. So we calculated this. It's around 65%. Yeah, I do every single day sessions, AM session, PM session. So far nothing significant happened with this news. We're waiting for Silver Bullet to trade something. Yeah, I think they're going to collect people's feedback and maybe they're going to remove this. So guys, what do you think if it's going to close below this level? Can we short back to weekly open? Back to hourly fair value gap if it's going to close below this level? Maybe this one? If it's going to close below this level. That's for now. That's what I'm thinking to get. We will see. Yeah, I mean, for now it's completely new plans. They need to collect more feedbacks to see what people like, what people don't like, and maybe they're going to improve this, right? So we don't know yet. So what I'm thinking right now, I'm just thinking if it's going to overchange in the state of delivery, can I try to short back to discount? So far, we don't want to short it simply because no structure. But at the same time, look at SPX. SPX right inside OT of RTH gap. Oh yeah, guys, don't chase shorts without structure. Don't trust 1 minute chart. Be smart. Don't make stupid mistakes. That's crazy. Come on. I'm ready to trade. Just give me some setups. Please. So once again, no trades taken yet. Like this team, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We're waiting for the trade. Answering your question if I'm going to trade all accounts. Yes, I'm going to trade all accounts. Oops. I'm going to copy these accounts together if it's going to be set up on ES. If it's going to set up on gold, I will trade Lucid and Tradify. I use Replikanto to copy my trades. Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay. No, nothing yet. On gold, we have 2 plans. It is going to break 50% of this week. Oh yeah, as I said, if it's going to stop on gold, we'll trade Lucid and Tradify. Apex will be for ES. Or Euro futures. To enter 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart, guys. No, you cannot trade gold on Apex. But you can trade gold on Lucid or TradingView accounts, not Apex, not Apex. If I said Apex, my bad. Lucid and TradingView. Lucid buys around 50% off on all plans right now. For Take Profit Trader? Oh my god, I'm gonna check. I'm so sorry, by the way, about this. I'm gonna check this for you today. I'm so sorry about this, by the way. I created giveaway, yeah. You didn't see this? To participate in giveaway for today, accounts that guys won on Friday were sent. Just check your email. Yeah, I'm ready to trade. I feel like confident today. Just give me like textbook setup. But once again, guys, if you just joined, I'm going to Steam PM session. So for AM session, I'm doing Apex accounts for giveaway, new plans. For PM session, I will do TradeZella giveaway. You will be able to win a premium 12-month subscription for free. Frank, maybe because he didn't win? Right? Scam. All right. You can participate in PM session giveaway. Guys, do you have any issue with Ninja Trader right now? My friend just told me she cannot connect even accounts, her accounts. Do you have any problem with Ninja Trader? Can you connect your accounts? Because I can. Long or short, ideal scenario on gold, as long as it is pacing 50%, look for longs. Great. Let me know, guys, if you execute on Ninja Trader. I'm just kind of scared to trade like 20 accounts right now. Just let me know. Oh, I cannot. Okay, let me disconnect Apex since probably we're going to trade gold. Probably we're gonna trade gold. Oops, not this one. Because gold looks good, definitely looks good. Oops. $40 stop. Okay, we will trade small size. Let me delete this one, this one, and this one. Well, we will trade 2 micros. Probably. We don't have options to trade nano contract. Right? Let's see. Give us a closure. Maybe this one. We're so close, yeah, we're so close to fill new week opening gap. That's insane. Hi Bella, how are you? You need to trade a lagging. It's not good. It's not good. I miss you too. Hope to see you soon. We will trade confirmation. So 30-minute CP will be confirmed by closure above this blue line. So that's what I'm going to try to trade. That's my plan. So idea is we're closing above. Retracement back to fair value gap long. I might try this one. Oh, arena. I don't participate in an arena, so. No, it's potential order block. Since we got sequence of down close candles that started like in deep premium, probably no reason to consider this as order block. We will use it for the first candle. I guess that's going to be like smart decision. So what do you think about this? So Epic still not allowed to trade gold, which is fine. All right. You know, it left London high twice as well. It's annoying. I mean, I agree with you. We have equal lows lower. It got filled. It's okay. It's perfectly fine. As long as we hold in this low, this fair value gap, not inversion fair value gap for me. Since we got sweep. No. It's still like valid fair value gap even if you traded below this. It's fine. Peter, where is your short zone? What is level for shorts? I kind of have more interest in gold right now, since we got straight up on ES. So we'll try to be patient. Look at this, it's really trying to fill the gap. So we completely fill new big opening gap on ES. Where's 2R? Just interesting. No closure yet. In MMXM only, we have big chance to fill the gap right now, because look at it. Let me check volume profile real quick. I know, like lots of interest in complete fill of this gap. With Replikanto, so you can trade with Replikanto as many accounts as you want, trader weight connections, or just one rhythmic connection. But on the website, they recommend to trade up to 20 accounts to get like better feel, because sometimes it's going to be slippage or something like this when you trade more than 20 accounts. Personally, yes, I can say I experienced this, so different feels, but it wasn't significant, like $2 difference in profit. Sometimes like $10 in difference in profit. But because I traded like 30 plus accounts, on their website they said like 20 accounts is preferable amount of accounts you want to copy. Huge buy sentiment right now, it's resistance. Not yet. You didn't miss anything yet. Still flat. Still waiting for silver bullet setup, so that's my plan to trade silver bullet. It's potential short opportunity, at least rejection. A reaction. So guys, what do you think? Gold is going to go all the way down to fill new week opening gap? If so, type 1 in the chat, or you feel like it's going to be moved up to hit London high, type 2 in the chat. Interesting to see how many people actually bearish on gold or bullish on gold. 2 if it's going to go up to London high, 1 if it's going to go to new week opening gap, to fill new week opening gap. Many twos here. Technically we can get 30 points. If you don't know. Yeah, right now gold left Asia low by just a couple of points, as well as London high. It left London high twice. Can't be right. Can't be right. Best bet, probably. So we have possible like short idea if it's going to break 50%. We can actually like look for short. Like this. We can get this. But below 50% of this week. Daily chart tells me like nothing, but on 4 chart we have order block. Price tested 50% of new week opening gap and we just stuck at 50% of new week opening gap. Technically, yes, we can fill this. And I guess it's fine to fill the gap. We have some untapped fair value gaps lower, but once again, I did not expect to get a big drop, but really if it's going to drop, probably will not take this low. But we will chase to 50% of this consolidation. Like this. I don't really see the scenario yet. I'm from Belarus. Yeah, I speak Russian if it was your question. Guys, did you take any trades today? Hello, hello. Did you short? Did you long? Sometimes, sorry guys. Sometimes I feel this is best option. Seriously. So far completely flat. $53.60. Why didn't wait for order block on 3-minute chart? No, if you, as you can see, I still trade like old legacy PA accounts, Apex accounts. It's going to be same old rules as well as for evals as well. You're going to follow legacy rules, legacy plan rules. Well, gonna wait. Maybe retracement and continuation higher on ES. Probably. Took long on scalp on MNQ from 841. Good job. Actually, good scalp. Hit the like, guys. Share the stream. I'm going to do giveaway for Apex new plans today during AM session, and today during PM session between 12:30 and 2:30 PM. I will do TradeZella giveaway, and we'll continue trading there. If by any chance we're not going to get anything during AM session, I hope we're going to get, but if not, we'll trade PM session. It's not a problem. $200 is a good loss, so it's not a lot, so good risk management, I would say. Thank you, don't be shy. Right? You know, issue since gold stuck inside consolidation, at this point we really need to trade just indices. So I highlighted potential order block here. If it's going to stay, my plan right now, if it's going to respect 50% of this OB, I might actually try to long, because that's last bullish support. If it's going to respect 50% but not lower, I might actually look for move higher right after this, something like this. Let me switch back on micro ES. How big range? I don't think it's big, by the way. Oops. Oh yeah, it's acceptable. Maybe we'll trade 10 micros today. Let's check SPX. Sorry, guys. Nice reaction. All right, below 50%, no longs anymore. We will forget about this. Oops, sorry, guys. Looks promising. Come on, we trade to this fair value gap. No, wait. Wait! Not that fast. Not that fast. Well, what was the problem to hit 50%? Just asking market makers, just asking to hit 50% of the 3-minute order block. If you want to be bullish by any reason, just respect this 50%. We will try to long, we will take a win, we will enjoy my day, our day, please. Just, come on. Once again, last bullish zone level for longs is going to be here, not lower. So 68.49 is only level that I'm interested in longs. Otherwise, just no, thank you. Below this level, I'm not going to even try to long. We'll try to be patient. Because 50% of order block, if it's bullish OB, 50% of order block is what keeps order block high probability OB. As soon as we break below 50% of bullish order block, this order block is right now low probability OB. This is how I found this. Like, it works better. It's like best idea invalidate order blocks by breaking below 50% or breaking above 50% depending on order block, bullish or bearish. A bit painful right now. A bit painful right now. All right. Body. Mostly body. I covered order blocks in my old videos, but like separate video about order block, I don't have it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. A risky spot right now. Okay. Let me figure this out. Let me take a screenshot of your comment. I will ask for you. I will ask for you to figure out the issue with delay data, okay? If I will enter the trade, I will put my stop loss at the bottom of this order block. So it's going to be 68.43 probably. It's for now. Don't put limit orders, guys, because you don't know if it's going to break this level or give us a reaction. So far, what we want to anticipate. If it's going to test 50%, we will try to long. Stop loss will be below this order block on 5-minute chart. Just please. No, not on 5, on 3-minute chart. Yeah, 3-minute chart. Yeah, I will ask right after stream. I took a screenshot of your comment. Yeah, my market's quite crazy right now. That's why we don't want to be in a rush. We want to be smart people. We're going to wait for opportunity, right? We want to plan the trade. We want to trade the plan. We're smart. We don't make stupid mistakes. We don't want to blow our accounts. We want to wait for high probability stop. Yeah, once you break this level, I will flip my bias. I don't really need to see higher. I'm just trying to read current tape, right? Because like we hit new week opening, top of new week opening gap on ES, but it felt like on NQ. Technically, it can be validation of long, but I don't really need to see higher on ES. Gold also looks good. We will see which one is better. Mostly Tuesday makes high or low of the week. Monday provides an idea for potential weekly profile, but not high or low of the week. Sometimes, yes, this happens, but mostly this happens on Tuesday. Yeah, most of the time I enter on 3-minute chart. Sometimes on 2-minute chart. Sometimes on 5-minute chart. Okay, guys, let's focus right now. We're approaching level. I'm going to highlight this on NinjaTrader micros because sometimes it's a bit different price on micro and ES chart. Micro ES and ES chart. Can you please hit this $3 million block? Please. If it's going to respect 50%, I will try to long, I will put my stop loss here. If it's going to break below 50%, we're going to forget about longs, we're going to flip our buys. So below this level, I will look for shorts. Not sure where I'm going to put my stop loss yet, it's crazy huge. But it's gonna be something like this. I'm doing good, how are you? Market is okay, you just need to be patient, wait for setup. That's it. It's 3-minute chart. 3-minute chart. I can try to make this darker. Which one actually? Better? YM needs to break like 48,750. No, you missed nothing. No trades yet. Don't worry, we're going to trade together. You missed nothing. Or we're going to long gold. That's strange. Chart should be okay. Okay. Let's see. I'm interested in gold as well, guys. Click the like, guys. We either going to long gold or we're going to trade ES, but on ES depends how we're going to play this level. I am married for almost 10 years, guys. I have kids. I am not 18. I am not 25. I am way older. Gold looks good. Thousands of times. I have 2 kids, 5 and 6. They're big, pretty big, right? I have kids, yeah. Thank you. I have 2 boys. Sorry, guys. Looks good, looks good. Come on. Keep moving, keep moving. We will see what we're going to trade, what we're going to use. Break below this level, we will short. I'm ready. In the description, not single, have kids. How? Let me see. I'm gonna trade around like 4 micros. Big range. Look so young. Thank you, guys. I appreciate this. See? Such a coincidence. Such a coincidence with this drop. Okay, let's see. Break below this level, I might try to short. Or I will look for long on gold. Which one is better? We will see. We will find out soon. It's gray. It's white, it's gray. Thinking where I want to put my stop loss if I want to short. It's a bit tricky spot where to put stop loss. Because on longs, like, it's obvious where I need to put my stop loss. But if you're going to break this level, where putting stop loss here, probably, yeah, it's like conservative, but does not make any sense to pump there at all if it's going to be drop. I will put around like OT, I guess. I don't want to trade gold and yes at the same time, but both looks good. Well, Dasha, well. We're approaching this level. Just offer the closure and we will try. But on gold will be 2 micros because stop loss around 30 points. Keep this in mind. Is there in motion? Not yet for me. London low, I will take partial at New York midnight open in case it's short leg just to lock some profit because New York midnight open is support for ES right now. Yeah, probably London low or at least like deep discount. We will see. I will show you everything right now, like need to figure out stop loss at least placement. Okay, ready. YM looks good. Trying to break. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're approaching. Look, trying to break. It's about to offer like a nice short. Come on. 2 minutes left on this candle. If it's going to displacement, I will not wait for the closure. I will just enter short. So far, just like sweep. We tested this level. If you want to ask me where I would long above this level. Only. Stop loss will be here at 43. Invalidation of my long bias will be closure below 50%. Technically, I'm okay to flip the bias at this point simply because we hit important level on SPX and ES charts. But anyway, let's see. Trans peaks 11. I hope to be done before 11. Please. We want to be done before 11. Because technically we can get 20 points on ES. That's actually a good target. Base hit, you know, 20 points. 5 micros, 20 points, that's all we need. I'm ready to place long soon. 40 seconds left. Not on gold yet. On gold we need to get the closure. Be careful. We got the... Okay, let me see. Let me calculate potential risk first. 15 points, that's okay. Gold also trying. I'm flat right now. I'm just thinking about this long. Let me see what level I want to aim for longs. It will be high of the day, definitely, but another target. If I will... 88 maybe. Looks good here. I will show you once I trade, guys. Adjusted contract size. Come on, market makers, I was waiting. Give me like solid setup. 1.4 hour. That's what, guys, probably I want to take this one soon. Gold doesn't want to close below level I want to take. I probably gonna take this one. 20 point stop loss. That's the action from mean threshold. Okay, let's see. Sorry, guys. Okay, trying this one. Let's see how it goes. If I'm a bit early, I'm okay to re-enter the trade later. Let's see. If it's going to break 50%, I'm okay to re-enter again. So far, that's exactly what I wanted to see. I just entered the trade. The action from 50% of 3-minute... You can see this, right? The action from 50% of 3-minute OB. Closure above this level. Entry. That's what I'm trying to aim for. If I'm early, I'm perfectly fine with this. On gold, nothing. At the same time, NQ looks better, but... NQ looks better. And I mean, just NQ looks stronger, that's it. YM? YM hard to say, to be honest. Invalidation, ideal invalidation, like break below this level. I just want to give this bigger room. That's why my stop loss is here. But if it's going to break this, I'm actually going to flip my trade. She's not old enough to trade YM. That's so true. That's so true. Painful but true. Peter, I'm okay to risk. That's what exactly I was waiting for. I planned this trade, I'm trading the plan. If I'm wrong by any reason, I'm going to take my stop loss. My trade idea was wrong. This is how it works, right? Yeah, NQ just looks a bit better, I agree with you. NQ also is about to fill the gap. Like, 14 points away. But, it's okay. Let me check SPX as well. SPX key level. 20 points away from where we are right now. Actually, I like it. Let's set alert. Epix has activation fee, yeah. I'm from Belarus, guys. I'm aiming for which time frame it was. Hourly chart. See this flat? See this like equal bodies? It's my final TP. But first TP, you can see in the chart. First TP is like new high of the day. If it's going to happen, of course, I don't know. I cannot see the future. Final TP will be flat candles on hourly chart. Invalidation of my trade preferably below 68.49, but I put my stop loss slightly lower to give this bigger room. But if it's going to display it below this 50%, I'm okay to try to short. First TP is, I'm going to give you the 77.75. 77.75. That's first TP, basically new high of the day. That's first TP. And another TP is going to be this hourly equal, how to call this, like equal bodies? So I'm in with 5 micros, not bigger size, because I trade my 50k Apex accounts. It's like equal, like technically, yes, it's equal highs, I think. If you can call so, like, you know. Trump is going to speak in 13 minutes. I'm okay with any result once again. If it's going to reject hard and break below this level, I'm okay to enter another trade. Let's see what we have on SPX. Nothing like on SPX, to be honest, yet. On gold? On gold, maybe, you know, like I have 2 plans on gold. It's either going to be closure above this level, we will pump to London high, or break below 50% of this 3-minute wick, it will go to bottom of new week opening gap. Right now, I wouldn't probably long or short. We have SMT right now between ES and NQ. So to validate this SMT, we need to get a shift in structure or 3-minute OB, 5-minute OB, depends where we got SMT, where it's more obvious. So probably Lucid will be option for you to start trading evaluations because it's one-time evaluation fee, as well as Epix has one-time evaluation fee. So you can try these options if you don't want to spend a lot of money on evaluations. Probably Epix, end of the day, drawdown, or Lucid Flex. They have one-time evaluation fee will be option for you. So guys, while we're waiting for something to happen, you expect to get ES goes up or down? We're going up or down? Because technically SPX has room to go higher to fill RTH gap. NQ just filled new week opening gap, ES just filled new week opening gap, but SPX left some room to go higher. So it's a bit confusing right now because like on ES and NQ, okay, maybe like it makes sense to trace lower, but SPX trying to tell me opposite, like we can bounce a little bit higher first. I mean, no, like ignoring the trade right now, what do you expect to get? Straight down since we filled new week opening gap on both ES and NQ, or you want to see move higher first and PM session sell off? Like, let's ignore what we have right now. Let's imagine we are not in trade. RTA chart, of course. Over here, see? We broke above 70.5% of current RTH gap, which validates idea of longs, according to video I explained in OT retracement. No, if it's going to go down, I'm perfectly fine with this. I'm perfectly fine to take a loss if it was based on plan. So if I'm going to be wrong, I will look for invalidation below this level. And I may actually place my, I may actually play short right after this. I'm fine with this, of course. But what makes sense to me is offer new high of the day. And probably PM session may sell off. Maybe. Hope so. You can pass Apex accounts for 1 day, but you can take your time and pass like for 30 days. So 5 we have SMT, that's actually cool. Apex has activation fee, yeah. Yeah. Let me delete for now. But I truly believe is nice short will be below this level. I'm okay to try short. Yes, looks short because we have SMT and we filled new week opening gap. I honestly agree with you. Activation fee depends on drawdown. If it end of the day drawdown on Apex, your activation fee is going to be $99. If it's intraday trading drawdown, your activation fees are going to be $79. Let's see. I'm going to put my stop loss at this low right now. Gold is pain right now, like nothing is going on yet. But at the same time, if once again consolidation on gold, we really need to trade indices. I'm going to keep my eyes on indices. And nothing is going on. $79 for any size accounts, like 25,000, 50K, 100K, 150K. And $99 for end of the day drawdown will be for 25, 50K, 100K, 150K. And what we're going to do next? Let us know, please. Maximum payouts, it actually grows with your payouts. So it for 50K, it starts at $1,500. So intraday trading drawdown, your drawdowns moves with your unrealized P&L. End of the day drawdown, your drawdown calculated based on your end of the day P&L. That's only the difference. And yes. Yes. Yes, daily loss limit, but I don't know like why so much hate about daily loss limit. Daily loss limit, like really guys, saves you from blowing your account. For 50K, it's $1,000. How you need to trade to lose $1,000 on a 50K account? It's a question. It's a question, right? It's actually, yeah, it's like benefit. So you're not going to full port or something like this. Market makers, I mean, I understand everything. You can go to my TP, for example, because I was waiting for this setup for 3 hours. Please. I mean, my TP is obvious level. You can drop from there. I don't mind. Yeah. I don't mind. Just stop this consolidation. Yeah, look at NQ. You want NQ go higher. Just push YM above 850 and that's it. Please. Stop this chop. People are waiting. I am waiting. Please. Yeah, Trump is going to speak in 2 minutes, actually. Which trading platform? TradeC? I'm trading micro. Oh my god, I'm trading micro AES right now. It's micro AES and NQ. Not fun of holding position at 11 since Trump is going to speak, but we have no options right now, unfortunately. Why did I long? I explained this. So we respect 50% of 3-minute OB, and at that point when I was longing, NQ did not hit top of new week opening gap. So what happened? We swept this 50% of order block, mean threshold of this OB, and it offered propulsion block. I entered off propulsion block. I am aiming for 68.88, but we'll take partial at new high of the day. Why I want to see higher? Because SPX has room to go higher. Chris, are you bearish or bullish? So it is going to be straight down because of Trump or straight up? Not fan of holding position through his speech right now, but it's okay. I see some volatility right now. But it's going to be either straight down right now, here to weekly open, or straight up, then reversal. I'm okay with any result, we will see. 50% of 3-minute OB, changing the state of delivery. Look at gold. Damn, come on. That's insane. I'm actually close at break even here. I'm not fan of this drop on gold. I will close at break even here. Look at this drop. I'm not fan of this drop, to be honest. $5. Okay. I still would like to see higher. I just probably going to wait for when he's going to finish. I kind of probably gonna feel more safe right now. I'm just going to wait for, like, he's going to finish. I'm going to try again. Yeah, I feel more protected right now. Let's do giveaway. I still would like to see higher, but I don't know, like, I prefer to close here. I will continue trading PM session just in 1 hour. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Break-even is better at this point, especially when Trump is speaking. I don't know, like, better to close here. All right. For today, we're doing, as you can see, 150K end of the day trail accounts, but ideally you can pick any size you like, any connection you like. Rhythmic trader weight. End of the day intraday trading drawdown, 25,150K. It's up to you. So once again, I will continue streaming in 1 hour. I still would like to see higher. But since he's speaking, I don't want to see, like, just straight down or straight up. But I still would like to see my TP. Well, guys, first winner. Are you in the chat? Since I closed, nothing happened. No, this guy or girl has 30 more seconds to claim the prize. Seems like he's in chat because I can mention him. Frank, I know. I know. I see you. You want account. Yes, you look painful. Saying this from the bottom of my heart. Second winner. During PM session, I will do giveaway of TradeZella accounts. Second winner. Is he in the chat? Oh, I know who is this, by the way. I know who won. Yeah, I see you. Congratulations. And last one, best one. During PM session, TradeZella premium subscription, 12-month subscription. Ooh, I like your name. Are you in the chat? Damn, yes. Yay. Guys. Come on. Wait. Not that fast. You want to talk about this? You want to tell me you were waiting for me to close at break-even simply to go to my TP? I mean, well, got it. Got it. Let's see, I'm not in a rush. I will continue trading PM session, but let's stay for a moment here. Red phone? You think it's because of this? Yeah, probably. We had to say to market makers we are the break-even, but instead we had to sit and trade. And it could be win-win. We have to play with them. Damn. Funny, because the minute when I said I want to close at break-even, they immediately pumped. Bell. We got it. But, okay, let's see if it's going to continue going higher. Oh my god. It's all about, like, you planned the trade, you traded the plan, but in reality just closed because of nothing. I will try to take a loss at this point, to be honest. Damn. Look, guys, right now it's going to hit TP number 1. You had to say, guys, it's because of you. You had to say, Dasha, stay in this trade. Don't listen anyone. Stay in this trade, it's going to hit TP. That's because of you. It's not because of me, of course. I know, but still. I'm just kidding. Like, trust, believe in yourself. Trust your setup. You often write with your trade ideas. That's what you... Guys, you had to say this, not me. Funny because it's approaching first CP. That's so crazy. But still happy because that's only trade we consider today. That's only trade, damn, we wanted to take today. Mental W. Yeah. Well, during PM session, we will continue trading ES or NQ. Yes. Or NQ. Maybe gold, by the way. Nice pump. That's exactly what we want to see, guys. Yeah, sometimes it's going to be like this. It's part of the game, yeah. I'm going to send you account today or tomorrow. I would like to meet. Funny because like minute after I close this trade, it's immediately pumped. Okay. I will see you guys at 12:30 p.m. in 1 hour. On gold, nothing yet. We will probably continue trading yes, PM session. At 12:30 p.m. guys, we will continue trading for 2 hours. It was nice stream, I appreciate this. We actually did good. We waited for setup, we executed setup, we almost won. Yeah. We did good. Guys, love you, see you in 1 hour. On this channel, by the way, no other channels, this channel. Delete buy button in PM session, who knows? Guys, love you, see you soon.